Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to enable pop-up notifications for incoming calls on Messenger. If you've ever missed a call because the alert wasn't easy to notice, this quick setup will make sure calls always appear clearly on your screen. Let's dive right in. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you control everything about how your apps work, from permissions to notifications. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll until you find the option labeled Apps. Go ahead and tap on it. Next, look through your list of installed apps and select Messenger. This will open up all the detailed settings specifically for Messenger, including storage, permissions, and of course, notifications. Now tap on the Notifications option. This is where you can fine-tune how Messenger alerts you, whether it's for messages, calls, or other updates. At this point, you'll see a section called Notification Categories. Go ahead and tap on that. Inside the Categories section, scroll until you find the option labeled Incoming Calls. Tap on it to open up all the settings related just to call notifications. Here's the important part. Look for the setting that says Show as Pop-up. By default, this may be turned off, which is why calls don't always display on your screen in a noticeable way. Simply toggle this option on. That's it. From now on, whenever you receive a call through Messenger, it will pop up on your screen, making it easy to answer without missing a beat. Taking a few moments to adjust this setting ensures you never overlook an important call. It keeps your Messenger experience smooth and convenient, especially if you rely on the app to stay connected with friends, family, or colleagues. And there you have it. Quick, simple, and effective. Now you know exactly how to enable pop-up notifications for incoming calls on Messenger. If this guide helped you, make sure to stay tuned for more useful tips on how to get the most out of your favorite apps.